In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a PDF file into Google Sheets. So we'll get it converted and then we'll upload it to Google Drive and essentially have it onto Google Sheets. So here is the example that I'm going to use. It's a simple table, but this can work for more complex PDFs as well. But you are going to need some data points. You probably want a table, which is perhaps the reason why you're trying to convert this into Google Sheets. So what we need to do is get this converted into a CSV format and then upload it to Google Sheets. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to open a new tab and we're going to type in here PDF to CSV. And there are many websites we can do to convert it. I'm going to use this one here, zamzar.com. Click on one of them, then click choose files. Then you can choose your PDF and then click open. And that will then process the PDF. It's going to recognize it. Make sure you've got CSV here and then click convert now. So that is converting. Just give it a couple of seconds to a minute. You'll then be able to download this. So click on download and then choose your download location. So now this is a CSV file. We can get this uploaded to Google Sheets. To do this, go to Google Sheets. You can get here really by just going to Google and then you can either Google search Google Sheets, or if you go to these 9 dots in the top right hand corner, you can scroll down and find Sheets. Here I am inside of Sheets. We're going to go File, Import. And what we can do now is we can import a file. So click Upload, Browse, and then find the file location. Mine is in my downloads, so we can open this. It should then open this table, and it's going to ask you here the import location. We're going to just get everything to detect automatically. We can then import data, and it now should import all of this data. And there we go. We've now imported the table into Google Sheets. So I hope that was useful. Leave a like and comment if it was.